Welcome to previous the tutor. In this video, we'll be looking at arithmetic progression. So under AP, the first thing that we're going to look at is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by a plus, open brackets, n minus 1 close bracket times d. A is known as the first term of an AP series. N is known as the nth term, and D is known as the common difference. So for example, if I say an AP series of 2, 3, and 4, from here, my A is 2 as our first term, and our common difference is the difference between the second term and the first term, or the third term and the second term. This should give you the same answer. So for example, in here we've got, so this is T2, this is T1, and this is T3. So if we follow this one, we're going to say T2 is 3 minus 2 to give us 1. If you come here, T3 is 4, T2 is 3, which will also give you 1. So we are saying our common difference there is actually 1. So let's look at this example. It says find the nth term of the AP below. We've got 1, 3, 2. So before we go any further, we need to know what is A. A is the first term in this case, which is 1. Our common difference, you can say 3 minus 1, which gives us 2. You can also prove by saying 5 minus 3, which also gives you 2. Then from there, we know that the formula for nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 times D. So A is 2. Here they are looking for the formula, not the actual number. So A is 1 plus n, we don't have, minus 1, D is 2. So from there, we're going to have 1 plus 2, you multiply 2 times n, give you 2n. 2 times negative 1, that is minus 2n. This will give us 1 minus 2 plus 2n to give us negative 1 plus 2n. Hence, our nth term is equal to 2n minus 1. So got another example. It says find the 60th term in the sequence. We've got 2, 5, 8. So must know that our first term denoted by A is 2. Our common difference, we can pick 5 minus 2, that will give us 3. Or we can say 8 minus 5, which also give us what? 3. Then here they have specified the term which they are looking for, which is 60th term. So you are going to say T6 is equal to A plus, open brackets, n minus 1 times D. Our first term is 2 plus n is 6 now, since we know it, minus 1. D is actually 3. So from there we are saying 2 plus 6 minus 1 is actually 5 times 3. Then we're saying 5 times 3 is actually 15. So our 60th term, we are going to have 17. Let's look at our next part of our AP. We'll look at what we call the sum of arithmetic progression. Now the sum of arithmetic progression is denoted by Sn is equal to n, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 times d, close brackets. Here n is the number of terms that are going to be mentioned in the question. So number of terms. A, we know that it's the first term, and D is a common difference. So we've got this example there which says find the sum of the first 10 terms in the sequence 2, 5, 8. So we are going to say Sn is equal to, n in this case is 10 over 2. 2a is 2 plus n, we have 10 minus 1. Our common difference is 3. Then we say 2 into 10 is 5. So you do it the way I'm doing it. 2 times 2, it's 4. Plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Remember there's 3 here which you need to multiply. So 5, 4. 3 times 9 is 27. So you're saying 5, open brackets. 4 plus 27 is actually 31. So sum of the first 10 terms is 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 3, it's 15. So we're saying 155 is answer. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video on GP. I'm previously the tutor. I'm out.